is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. In the days your love so amazing, it's not a phase. I want you to stay with me on my side. I swallow all of my pride.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, you guys are going to be watching me flat iron this unit. This is a unit that I made. The hair was sent to me from DSoar Hair Company. This is their Peruvian body wave texture, and I reviewed a Malaysian body wave texture from them, and it was my absolute favorite. It's literally my top #1 favorite body wave texture that is from an AliExpress vendor. So this literally is so freaking close to it. It's just so freaking pretty. But anyways, I made this unit using the hot glue gun method. I'm gonna leave links to like the materials I use when I make this type of unit. But I did have 4 bundles, but I only used 3.5 of those bundles. So I used 224, it's a 22, half of a 20, and then I had whoa, is that right? 224 is 22, yeah, half a 20, yeah. And then I had a 20 lace frontal. The hair is super thick, and I literally flat ironed this bone straight. And y'all, if y'all been rocking with me for a minute, y'all know I don't really like bone straight. It just doesn't suit me well, so I like anything that has volume and everything. So me saying that this straight hair is thick and it's really pretty, that's saying a lot. So also, another thing I wanted to say, I bought this Chi heat protectant spray when I brought my flat iron, and I like stopped using it because I felt like it just made the hair feel like there was a lot of product. Even though I didn't spray a lot, it felt like it was. So I stopped using it, and I was like kind of upset about it because it smells so freaking good, just so good. So I decided to try it again in this texture, and I did this half with the spray and then this half without the spray. But honestly, I really can't tell a difference with how the hair feels right now. This hair is so pretty, especially when it's in loose curls. Oh my god, I have a video of me recreating my birthday and engagement look, and the hair, it was so pretty, so freaking pretty, and it's so thick and voluminous. And I just love the fact that this texture is so versatile. Like if you want to flat iron it, wear it straight, curl it, whatever. The only thing, oh my god, I'm so glad I'm saying this, the only thing that I was a tad bit disappointed in was the fact that when I was using my crimper, I just felt like the crimps weren't like I wanted it to. Like it wasn't really curled, like crimp styled. I don't know how to explain it. Like I just felt like with this unit, I thought it was going to be like thick crimps, and it was not that at all. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna stop talking right here. We're just gonna continue watching me do my hair. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all lovelies on in my next video. Bye.